Hi guys, good morning. Today we gotta put mulch in here. We just cleaned these beds and we gotta put some black mulch all the way around. I trimmed the shrubs last week all the way over here. I cut a lot, so all the way around the pool in the beds. Look how much I cut over here. They were about a foot out, but got them all cut. And there's the mulch. We got 4 yards, 4 yardas, compas. That thing's squatting too. So we need about 7. Let's get to it. The last 3 yards, man, 7 yards. Good. That's a huge machine, man. There it is. We are done, man. It is 2:30 and we got us 7 yards. We had a little too much. I think we needed 6, but it's better to have enough and not enough. Look at that. All the way around the pool. Shrubs are nice and trim, looking good now. Looks really good. This one's sticking out a little bit. ¿Qué piensan, compas? Mucho jale aquí. Mira. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. We had enough over here. And right here. Todo ahí. We had some left. Time to go. It is hot. We also put pine straw on this house day before yesterday. Over here. We're getting this house ready. This was a big job also. We did some trimming everywhere, put new pine straw. Look at that. We had a little left. But we got it done, brothers. That was a nice big job. Still gotta come back and cut the tip of the holly bush. New pine straw, new mulch, trimming. This is another big job, man. Looking good. I like it. Later, man.